Ekeresimesi ọma, Happy Christmas, Happy Ekeresimesi, Ekeresimesi ọma ndị be anyị o. Igbo kwenu, Igbo kwenu, Igbo kwezuonu. Ekeresimesi ọma, Ekeresimesi ọma, ifeọma ya na-eme, ifeọma obi aṅụrị, ifeọma good news ebe niile, front and back, left and right. N'aha Jesu Kristi bụ onye nwe anyị. Amen. Happy Christmas.
Happy Christmas.
This is my mother.
Yes.
Onye a bụ nne m. Nke a bụ nwa m. Nke a bụ mụnwa. The IGBOTIC girl of the IGBOTIC.
Yes.
Doing Christmas together with my mom this time around because she came from Mugo in Ireland. Okay?
Yes.
So mommy, we're going to sing for them.
Okay.
We're going to do that song. Ekeresimesi elugo mama waya geyi noko.
Ayachola koko.
Ekeresimesi elugo mama na geyi noko. Ayachola koko. Ekeresimesi elugo mama na geyi noko. Ayachola koko. Etikeke. Ekeresimesi elugo mama na geyi noko. Ayachola koko. Okay, so this song is saying, Christmas is here. Mommy, tell me what I'm going to wear on my leg, on my body. I don't want story. We don't want story. So this is a funny Christmas song. I think Aki and Popo sang it in one of those movies. Ekeresimesi Lubego. We have another song for you guys. Onwa December no lubega. Onwa December no lubega. Onwa December no lubega. Ekene dirinna
no lubega.
Onwa December no lubega. Onwa jemongo
no lubega.
Onwa December no lubega. Otuto dilinna no lubega. Onwa December no lubega. Onwa December
Onwa je ya ko fu o. Onwa je
Onwa December no lubega. Otuto dilinna. Onwa December no lubega. Amunu Jesus. Onwa December no lubega.
So, ihe nchọ ka njụọ gị n'ọnụ asụsụ Igbo. Kedu ka Christmas na-adị gị mgbe ị pe mpe?
Okay, so my mom is asking, how was Christmas for me when I was growing up? So Christmas, Christmas do like this. When Christmas time comes like this, the joy is too much. You're waiting for new clothes, new shoes. It's not like they don't buy new clothes for you any other time. And they go that for other times of the year. Mana, that Christmas one, that Christmas shoe and Christmas clothes, now they special. Like Christmas on our total mommy that time on the suya, suya, rice, stew, chicken, and that is it. It's as if that time the Christmas chicken now totally normal chicken. Ordinary chicken. Then you will now be thinking of going back to the village. How you be playing in the sand with village people, walking around in the village, seeing masquerade. For me, my heart was always in masquerade. I always wanted to see masquerade. And where I come from, there is a place we call Unko. I need the motor Ejen Unko. So we drive out, we had a bus then. All of us will go in the bus and we come out from the rooftop of the bus to be looking at masquerades. But what of you? Get a Christmas day. How was Christmas when you were growing?
Ọ na-enye anyị obi ọma. Ihe na-ekasa anyị obi ọma bụ shoe na akwa a ga-egoro anyị. Mana otu esi egoro anyị the shoe, how my parents used to buy it, they will buy the biggest size. As if I'm supposed to wear size 10, they will buy size 15. So by next Christmas, I will still wear it. Then the shoe, we will put clothes inside the shoe.
Or tissue.
Because it must be oversized. So as we are growing, the shoe will be fitting you. So we don't mind normally wear fitted or our size during that time. It must be oversized. And we don't care. What we care is a new shoe. It's for Christmas. So we have to use it. I will not IGBOTIC igwe ebe anyị kunye rice na tray kunye stone na atọ ọnụ onye ọbụla were aka azọ.
So like many children will benefit from that tray.
The same tray.
Wow.
After that, igwe share.
And that kind of nni na toto. That kind of food is sweet.
Even that time self, the auto rice now stop back.
Yeah. Or they are tosia now. Yes.
Even the mahagutago ọkụkọ ha ga-egbu na Christmas. O wee bụ na ụlọ aka egotara. Ife iru gị iwe ga-adịghị n'obi na ụlọ aka egotara.
So that night gave for chi like that 25th morning. I know they sleep. The Christmas would be Christmas. And also when I get back to the village, I used to go to the bush to find eju, snail. I used to go, that's not hunting that eju.
Ọbụla oge nke anyị mgbe a 24th night a na-enwe ụka anyasị. Ebe ị ga-enwe ụka anyasị anyị go knockout. Ịma inwe ike ịma nwa ego knockout ma nke ndị ọzọ ga-agba ndị asị olu oyibo nata nke fa ga-agba ị ga-echekwube nke fa ka ha ga-agba that 4th night agbasara ụka anyasị a bịazi afọ knockout aba aka Christmas that 24th night bịa the main Christmas wee pụtazi echi ị gafu dị mmemme kpatara na nwatakịrị nọ na line anyị na-agba bọị ka ọ ga-asị na pama na 24 n'ọtụtụ 25 ka ọ ya na okwu kama ka ahụ gbarịra.
Okay, so for the benefit of those that don't understand that in Igbo, so there's this boy that was a houseboy, right? So his oga said, we're not going to go for Christmas, we're going to go on the 25th morning, go. So the boy now said, instead, let him leave. Like, let him stop his apprenticeship and go back. So how do you tell him that he will not go back
that night?
Yeah,
church.
that's Ukabani. Because it's not just only church, it's the fun in it, the knockouts, the meeting people. Then when you come back, you will see all your cousins, the village, everywhere. Fresh fruits, and in early morning, in the village, the smell, the fresh.
Yes, you Christmas, still the Hamatan. Somehow, as
the time we're waking up, we already have visitors. People are already knocking on our gate. Come. My dad will now say, go and open the gate. They will enter. They will come and eat breakfast, lunch, dinner. They will go, come back and eat. Go, come back.
I'll tell you all sorts of stories that I have never heard.
But Christmas is very nice. So, we just wanted to bring a little bit of Christmas spirit to you guys, to sing, to dance, for you to be merry. Yes, so we're not in the east, we're not in Anambra State. I come from Anambra State, we're not back at home, but we need to, incorporate back at home, back or the Christmas. This one is for Igbo people now. Santa's footwear.
So many of them.
So many things. So
that Christmas is here.
Christmas is here, but we'll add our own as Ndi. I know what Christmas.
Father Christmas is here.
Life and direct. I have Father Christmas in guy. Welcome Christmas tree, as you can see in the back. Christmas hat. Oh yes, I have Christmas hat. So I the mix is the Oyibo na. See baby's own. Pass is good. Na mommy ugad. Yeah, no ugo of man. Father Christmas you can happy. If you go, so I celebrate Christmas. So I shall wish you Merry Christmas, Happy Ekeresimesi, Ekeresimesi Oma, Ekeresimesi Obianwe. Mommy, wish you
Happy Christmas in advance.
Happy Christmas in advance.
Please make sure you are happy because we are celebrating a great man.
Yes.
It's not easy. The Lord that kept us out till now.
Yes.
We need to celebrate God. Whether good or bad, just celebrate God. Thank God because you have good health.
Yes.
Now, that is the highest thing God can ever do for you. Because if you don't have good health, you cannot even eat these lives we are talking about. But once you have good health, even if your mom puts it only red oil, you must be happy. There's nothing like it.
The birth of Jesus Christ, we're celebrating Christmas because in the Igbo, most Igbo people are Christians. So I celebrate Christmas. The birth of Jesus Christ, that's when we celebrate Christmas. So remember the reason for the season ma ọ bụ na ndị oyibo cheta ihe eji agbalụ Christmas abụrụ just ka ata chicken taa rice. Yes. Hey, mommy bụ onye Igbo. Ncheta ọmụmụ onye nzọpụta. So at this note we say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Ezigbo ekeresimesi na ezigbo arọ ọfụ. Anyị ncha ya agbakọkwa arọ ọfụ. Anyị ga-afụ unu na arọ ọfụ.
Amen.
Happy ekeresimesi.